Okay guys, we have an update on my WIPAC LED indicators. As you can see, they are working nicely. But what I'd like to say is that they're working nicely, no thanks to WIPAC. Here is their flasher relay. Comes with a kit which they sell lots of cheap, and according to the forums as well, 3 weeks to 3 months is the life expectancy of this relay. Well, mine worked for 3 operations, just enough for me to make a previous video, and then suddenly just stopped at nothing. So again, it's taken me 2 weeks, but I had to get another one from the UK via eBay. It's actually a Brit part one, which is getting a better write-up on the internet than this piece of rubbish here. WIPAC, sort your act out. This is rubbish.